segment for PappysCorner coming up. I'm going to show you
Social distancing. You know, I've been practicing that for years. And I went and found an old clip. And I like to call it Arm's Reach, a Social Disturbance. So, here's the clip. If I'm standing in line at the checkout, I'll keep an arm's reach from the person in front of me. That way if they do a roundhouse kick, they won't hit me. So, one day here I am, standing in line at the checkout. I got my arm's reach in front of me. And I'm standing there waiting in line. All of a sudden, yeah, you guessed it, somebody comes up from behind. And I can feel their breath. I can even smell it. You know, so I kind of turn and do one of them. And God was with me that day, because all of a sudden, I had to fart. So I raised one leg like this here, and I let her go. I gave him a nod like that as if to say, there you go. Well, he steps back into the person behind him, and while he's apologizing for backing into him, I checked out and got the heck out of there. But the moral of the story is, keep an arm's reach. You never know when someone like me is in front of the person in front of you. Well, there you have it. Social disturbance from Pappy's Corner. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.